Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean back at it again with some more content. So it's 2022. Happy New Year! Yay! And in the spirit of New Year's, I wanted to do a New Year, New Bean. And what better way than to do my hair? I think I'm just bored of it. I need it to not be how it is right now. On camera at the moment, looking in the viewfinder, it looks almost orange. I can tell you it is not this color. I don't know why it seems to look orange on there. I don't know whether that's a filter that I've accidentally put on my camera, but I can tell you that it looks a lot cuter on there than it does in here. If you're watching this and thinking your hair doesn't look cute, it looks even worse in person. I've gone for a nice rich honey shade. Well, before we do that, I'm gonna brush it out. We are brushed. Yeah. Don't ever do that again. I will say, because I have already bleached my hair before, I purposely chose one that didn't lift your hair. This is just deposit only. It's no ammonia, it's semi-permanent. Brad Mondo, don't be angry, please. These conditioners always smell so good. Let me just have a sniff real quick. So we have the developer cream and the colorant. You take off the lid of this and then you squeeze this in there. You give it a good shake. This does contain peroxide. Peroxide damaging? Too late now, it's out of the box. Whenever I see something that says quick and easy, it makes me think that the results probably not going to be too great. No, God, Jesus Christ. Just realized I could have done with some kind of clips or something to maybe section my hair, but I don't have any of that, so we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna start probably down here, although this bit's more dyed. Maybe I shouldn't go start there. Maybe I should start what am I doing? Oh no. Oh, I just pulled it the whole way through my hair. Dang it. We're already off to a terrible start. This is why you don't do your hair at 1 AM. I think I'm probably best just putting it all over my head and praying to Jesus that all will be fine. I'm painting my hair. Yay! I've taken my true form. I am a bean. It says to massage, so I'm gonna massage. Right, okay. I miss a big patch underneath my hair. Oh. Is this a mistake? It may be a mistake. Oh, a very big mistake on my hair. This is how my mum used to do my hair when I was growing up. She'd just smush everything in and put it in a ball at the top of my head. Good times. Probably not the right thing to do, but Okay, so it has been on for 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it off. See how it's come out. So over the course of 2020 and 2021, I feel like I've sort of lost sight as to why I started this channel. I wanted this as a place to express myself, be artistic, and be that little weird bean that I was born to be. So rather than starting 2022 the same way, I wanted to bring that back. So that means a fresh start is in order. New year, old me. As always, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Comment if you're feeling chatty, and I will see you all next time. Bye.